Welcome to Toy Shack channel. I'm Mike. Today we are going to make a xylophone toy. Xylophone toy is so cute, right? So you can paint on this board on your color, any idea, any design, and then assembling this xylophone plates. It's really cute, and then you can play every day. Let's make it. Okay, let's check the parts for xylophone. So this one is xylophone board, base board, and this one in xylophone. This one xylophones, and there is the side. This one big hole is the top, and small size is the bottom. So please carefully assemble. When you assembling, this one will be the top, and this one is the bottom. Okay. And then this one two plates. This one will assemble like this, but also this one has two types. This hole from side is wider one and narrow one. So wider one come this one, narrow one is come like this. Okay, and four small pin, four small pin, and 12 foam, okay, soft one, and also 12 screw, and this one stick and bow for xylophone. Make a sound like this. Okay, so firstly, please prepare this one glue. Put in 4 holes on the board. Okay, so after you put the glue, please put this pin in so to the hole like this. Okay, and this one wider one, prepare this one, we'll put it here. So put glue bottom side like this, just line and assembling with this board, be like this. Okay, and one more, this one narrow one, put the glue too and assembling. Okay, assemble it like this, and this one keep all dry, and this one put the glue inside of the hole and stick inside like this, just this, and leave it. And after, don't need to wait for dry, but you can start paint on board whatever you want, just paint. And after painting finish, we will assembling this plate like this. Okay,
a few moments later.
so for explaining just one set for assembling this plate. Okay, so you got this one, right? And put on the hole like this, like this, and then this plate put on the hole together like this, and nail this side, also nail, prepare like this, and use a driver to screw it like this. And then there is a point. If you screw this too tight, if you this one too tight, a little bit more. If screw this too tight, and this one cannot move. Cannot move means sound is not beautiful. Like this. So please don't make this one too tight. It's like I can tell the standard is make screw head is almost flat with xylophone plate. Like this. Okay? And this side as well. When you screw this, please don't make tight. Like this. So this one can move, right? And this is the finish. So here's your xylophone now. Let's enjoy.